Hello, my name is Natalia Ortiz and I am the CEO of Two Hippos. We are in Miami, Florida, located in the world-famous Calle Ocho. We are a company that is dedicated to inventing, manufacturing, and selling top-quality children's products that focus on a stylish solution to everyday problems. Here we have our three products. Our Wall Bumpy Bed Rail Bumper, which is fabulous because it works as a side bed rail, end of bed rail, as a barrier against the wall, and also as a barrier when you co-sleep with your child. We've included a fun little storage pocket to house the child's nighttime treasures, and a zipper closure, so it's easy to wash. It's lightweight and portable, so easy to take on sleepovers or vacations, and this guy is trademarked. Then we have our Monster Buddy Memory Foam Body Pillow for kids. This is a great little guy to have when your child is starting to have nightmares. They are antimicrobial and anti-dust mite. They also lock in body heat so that children can stay warmer at night, and it also comes with a fun storage pocket with a blanket in the back. And then we have our Cot Buddy Cot Mat. This is an all-in-one cot mat for parents on the go. Our products are very unique, and I'm very proud to say that in 2012, I was one of the Huggies Mom Inspired Grant recipients, which was a huge honor for me. I was one of the 11 lucky winners nationwide to be recognized by Huggies for our Wall Bumpy. And in 2013, we also won the Gold NAPA Medal, the National Association of Parenting Publications, for our Monster Buddy Memory Foam Body Pillow, and the Honors Medal for our Wall Bumpy. I'm not only the CEO of Two Hippos, I'm also the inventor of these amazing products, and there's plenty of that. There's plenty more where that came from. I have a bunch of ideas that I'm really looking forward to being able to develop. But right now I just don't have the time because I'm really trying to focus on these three guys. So these are all products that I've invented out of a necessity for my own children. And now they're ready to go, or they're already in market. The Bumpy since 2010, and the Monster Buddy and the Cot Buddy since 2013.